Today, I will show you how to create viral AI videos, completely free and using a brand new style that is trending right now. Please believe me, this method really works. You can check it yourself and see how amazing these videos look. Right now, many YouTube channels are creating AI videos like this and earning thousands of dollars every single month. The best part? You don't need any paid tools, advanced skills, or experience. Even beginners can easily make these videos at home using just a mobile or laptop. If you're new to YouTube, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's start and make a brand new AI video in a completely unique, trending style that people are loving. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and write this prompt, or you can use any other prompt I provide in the description. It's not necessary to use only this exact text. You can also create your own story based on your ideas. For example, include characters like a Dr. Cow, a businessman cow, in different settings such as a city, forest, or village. This part is flexible. Here is a sample prompt you can use, or the one I will paste below. Please remember to include it when using. Give me a story using these characters: farmer cow, business cow, Dr. Cow. Please make the cows like humans. Please do not add any captions on the images. Once you paste this prompt, a complete story will be generated. You can check the story scene by scene. It will look very nice. After that, we will copy each prompt and use it in Pixar to create images. Step 2. Please make sure to like the video. Now, to generate free images, open Pixar. Then, copy the prompt and paste it into Pixar. After that, select the image size and click to generate the image. The images will start creating automatically. I will keep copying and pasting the prompts one by one, and you will see how beautifully the images are being generated. Just continue copying and pasting the prompts. Very soon, all the images will be ready. Pixar is a great website that offers free tools for creating animated videos and cartoon characters. It's perfect for beginners as well as professionals who want to design engaging visual content without spending money. The platform is user-friendly and doesn't require any advanced technical skills. Whether you're making videos for YouTube, social media, or educational purposes, Pixar provides various templates and customization options. Overall, it's a valuable resource for anyone looking to make creative videos easily and for free. Very soon, all the images will be ready. Step 3. Now, we will create the video. This part is very important, and I'll also show you how to use a free tool for it. We'll be using Pixar. Pixar gives 90 free credits daily. I'll explain how to use it for free. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Here's what you need to do. Install 3 to 4 different browsers. For example, I use Chrome, Opera, and Microsoft Edge. Now, I will open Pixar in each of these browsers using different accounts. You can see on my screen how I do this. After opening Pixar on all browsers, I will upload my images and paste the prompts. Then, the video will start generating automatically. You can see how the video is getting created. Remember, use one browser at a time. In each one, upload your image, write the prompt, and start creating the video. Please follow all the steps carefully and don't miss anything. Watch my screen and do exactly as I do. Next, I'll explain more details about Pixar. Pixar AI is an advanced video generation platform that transforms text prompts and images into dynamic, high-quality videos within minutes. It offers multiple creation modes, including text-to-video, image-to-video, and video extension, allowing users to create content effortlessly. With features like keyframe control, customizable styles, and lifelike physics, Pixar ensures smooth motion and realistic visuals. Accessible through both web and mobile apps, it is an ideal tool for creators, marketers, and educators looking for fast and professional video solutions. Now let me show you what I did. I used 3 different browsers, and as you can see, videos have been successfully created in all 3. Check this out. Now I will easily download all the videos. So, how was this trick? Pretty cool, right? You can also create videos in the same way. If you want, you can open 4 or 5 browsers at the same time and use different accounts to generate even more videos, all for free. It's super easy and lets you create a lot of videos quickly. Now I'm going to download all the videos. Now we will create the audio. Remember, if your audio is good, your video will also perform well. But if the audio is not clear or attractive, it will be hard for the video to succeed. So, what will we do? We'll use OpenTTS AI. This is a great website for generating voiceovers. Open the website, choose any voice you like, then paste your prompt script into the box. Click on Create and the audio will start generating. Once that's done, go to the History section and click on it. Your generated audio will appear there, ready to download or use. Step 5. Now we'll edit our video using CapCut. You can adjust everything according to your own style. I copy and paste all the video parts into CapCut and edit some of the clips to show you how it looks. Click on Animation to add some cool effects. I use the paid version of CapCut, and I highly recommend it because it includes many new styles and features that are only available in the paid version. CapCut also offers audio editing styles, so you can create and customize audio directly inside the app. And that's it. My video is now fully ready. If you liked the video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll bring another amazing method in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. And stay tuned for more easy and powerful tutorials.